Today I'd like to talk to you about how you can use Dashboard Designer to create a live graphical summary of a voting process. In SharePoint, you can create surveys which are a particular case of lists. To create a survey, we'll click Add an app and select the survey application. Let's name it Quality of Teamwork Survey. At the moment, it is empty. Let's add a question to it. We'll type our question in, and then we'll type in the possible answers to it. If we wanted to create another question, we'd click Next Question. For the moment, we'll just click Finish. What we'll then do is add a new page where we'll insert our Plumsail chart. We'll click Configure to set up the chart. In the Dashboard Designer that's just opened up, we'll specify the URL of our website where our list is located. Now, I will use a list that I have created before, and I pre-populated it with some questions. It is exactly the same as the list I have created just now, except that it has no questions. What we'll do then is add the fields that we will use with our chart. Those fields will be the ID and one of the questions we have created. In this case, my department encourages teamwork. Then go to aggregation and select the question. My department encourages teamwork. And then we'll go to dashboard, select the chart type, and we'll select the question for category and ID for value. Now, what we'll do with value is we'll use the aggregate functionality with it. We'll select fit for unit, 1 for step, and count for function. What count will do is count the number of ID values. What this essentially means is that we will count the number of times this question has been answered so far. What we'll then do is select refresh periodically and enter 5. What this means is that our chart will refresh every 5 seconds to account for the new information that may have been added to our list. What I have forgotten to do is I have forgotten to process the data I have specified in the data source. This isn't the problem. I could just save the chart without processing the data, but in order to use the preview functionality, in order to preview the chart in the Dashboard Designer, I have to process the data, so that's what I'm gonna go and do. And I'll go back to Dashboard, I'll go to Style, and I will enter the title for our chart. So that's it, our configuration is complete. What I'll now do is preview the chart. What we're now seeing is a correctly rendered chart which is empty, which is fair enough because we don't have any information in our list. We'll then click Save and close the application. So what we see here is a page with 3 charts that I have created in exactly the same way as how I've just shown you. These charts use the 3 questions. In my survey list, what I'd like to do now is an experiment. Let's imagine that the staff at our company received a request to answer the survey that we have just created. Let's see what it would look like. So the staff have started answering the survey. We are now getting some answers. The charts are being refreshed every 5 seconds, and we can see new data coming in. Answers are being added to the bars. This is what our charts look like. So that is how you create a live voting chart summary. I hope this video was useful to you, and I thank you for watching. Bye.